Meaning of disapproving.
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 Disapproving. The term disapproving is typically used to express a negative or unfavorable opinion or judgment towards a particular action, behavior, or idea. It can signify the act of disliking or condemning something, often due to a perceived violation of social norms or ethical standards. This emotion can result in negative consequences for the target of disapproval, such as social ostracism or rejection. It's important to note that disapproval can have varying degrees of severity based on the context and the specific individuals involved.